If you're looking for a COVID-19 test in Flathead County, expect longer wait times as the demand for testing has skyrocketed the last 2 weeks.
Know that we're working hard behind the scenes and trying to do the best to serve our community.
3,057. That's the number of COVID-19 tests the Logan Health Medical Center lab sampled last week, more than doubling the input from 2 weeks prior.
2 weeks ago, we were at 1,500. And before that, we even got down into the 1,200 area, so it's definitely come back up.
Logan Health Lab Supervisor Garrett Heide says the in-house molecular lab can sample several hundred tests a day, a resource that's being pushed to the max during this COVID surge.
Early on, we just couldn't handle the amount of testing that was coming in, and so the state was a great resource, but little by little, we built up the infrastructure here to be able to handle anything the community could throw at us. So we've been able to basically reclaim all that testing and then some.
Heidi notes the increase in testing means those seeking a test should expect potential delays in appointment scheduling and lab results.
With this surge, we're experiencing a lot of crowded places at the drive-up sites, at the walk-ins, basically everywhere. And so it's important to note that there will be delays, so you might not see turnaround times for up to maybe 2 to 3 days, depending on the loads that we're getting. The volume we have to get through and stuff like that can definitely delay it.
Flathead County Health Officer Joe Russell says the state reported 5,300 tests throughout Flathead County last week, a number that does not include self-take-home tests. Russell says the increase in testing is encouraging, as the best thing residents can do is test if they are feeling sick and begin isolation immediately.
The folks that are testing because they're symptomatic, good on them. This is what we need to be doing to control coronavirus right now, and best thing we can do is either vaccinate or isolate if you're ill. So good on the system that we could ramp up that much testing.
Russell says the health department hopes to have additional free rapid take-home tests at the health office as early as next week. In Kalispell, Sean Wells, MTN News.